Welcome to Tech Brothers Damer. In this video, we are going to learn about summary function in PySpark. The summary function in PySpark provides descriptive statistics for numeric and string columns in DataFrame. By default, it shows the following statistics. It shows you count that total number of rows, mean, average number of numerical column values, standard deviation of numeric columns, minimum value, max value. So you can also provide your own statistics if you would like have count, min, 25%, 50%, 75% and all that. So here is our data, and you can see that I have age, name and salary. So in this case we have defined the column list here, and then we are creating a data frame called the df. Then we will be able to see the data frame by using the df.show function. Let's execute this, and then after reviewing the data, we will apply the summary function. So you can see right there I have age, so it starts with 25, then ends with 40, that's the max number. Then we have 25, 29, 20, 35 and 40. Then we have these names, Amir. So if you notice here, we have Amir starting with the A, and then we have Lisa. That's our, in alphabets you will see this is the order kind of. We will see some operation in this part as well. So I'm gonna just remember for now the name, so and then we will take a look on that one as well. And then you have salary here. Now let's go back and apply the summary function on it. So we say df.summary, and then we are applying .show, so we can see the entire summary of this data frame. So let's execute. So I should have actually printed both of them together, so you can kind of compare both of them. So let me run that again. So here is our original data, and here is our summary statistics. So in summary you can see count, and then there are 4 rows, so doesn't really matter for all of the columns which is shown as a 4. So mean value for the age is 32.25. So there is no mean for the name, that's why it's shown as null. And for salary, that's a numeric value and mean is there, so it is calculated to $425. Now standard deviation values are there for the numeric columns as well. Then you have min values, so age is the 25 min here, and that's what I was talking about. Like, see, in the even min it is showing you Amir Shahzad, because with the alphabetic starting A, that's come as first, that's considering it min, and L is the end in this records. If we will be have Z or Y starting with the names, and that will be come here, but in this case we have Lisa, that's L is the alphabetically larger than all those other alphabets here, like A, B, C, D. So see that's why it's shown you in the max. That's what I was talking about. Now you have also here min value 5,000, and then you have 25%, 50% and 75% values here, and then you have max value, and in the max value it's shown you age of 40, that's the max value right here. Then we, as I said, that the max for this string values is Lisa here, so because it starts with L, and all the other names starting with the letters they are before L. So, and then this is the max value for the summary salary. Now if we want to go just and not show all the columns, and we want to see like maybe few of them, we can have that too. So we'll say df data frame dot summary, and then we will provide which stats we would like to see. In this case I would like to see count, min and max only. So I'm going to go ahead and execute, and this should list or show me only those values. So see right there, here is our column list, and here is our summary, and but these are the only 3 stats which we have asked it is presenting. So it is telling us the count, and count will stay the same because there are 4 records, and then we have min value, and then we have a max value. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.